case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1971, the Supreme Court of the United States heard Coolidge v. New Hampshire, a case centered around the need for a warrant when searching a person's property and the limitations of certain exceptions, such as the plain view and mobility of vehicles exceptions. The case emerged from the investigation of the brutal murder of Pamela Mason, a 14-year-old girl from New Hampshire who was found dead 8 days after disappearing on January 13, 1964. Police questioned Edward Coolidge, a suspect who had been away from home the night of the girl's disappearance. Coolidge cooperated with the police, allowing them to examine 3 guns he owned and consenting to a lie detector test. However, the police searched Coolidge's car without a warrant, leading the defense to argue that the search violated the Fourth and 14th Amendments. The New Hampshire Supreme Court initially upheld the conviction without a warrant, but the case was brought to the United States Supreme Court to further examine the legality of the search and address the plain view exception and the seizure of evidence without probable cause. Ultimately, the Supreme Court determined that the search and seizure were illegal under the Fourth and 14th Amendments, rendering the evidence obtained inadmissible. As a result, the judgment was reversed, and the case was remanded back to the New Hampshire Supreme Court for further proceedings.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.